Hello, this is another example of the Quick Palette Maker web app. This is the interface that uses the API. Here what we'll do is grab a box from a list and we will edit some of its properties. So first step is to enter the name and password, username and password. Okay. And we will go to the part where it says products and boxes. If you haven't uploaded the boxes, there's another example that explains how to do it. And here we have a list, a short list of products. So we go to the editor, we select the product that we want to edit, and we can add something to the description, for example. We just add a value, we click on edit, and there you go. We edited this box. If we go back to the list, we'll see that the description has been changed. We can change the dimensions and you can change the description and other properties. What we can't do is change the code or the name. If we want to do that, we have to add a new box with a new code and delete the previous one. This is for records purposes.